Hi, I'm doing a demo of the mobile software assignment. This is the simple Android app that teachers can use it to store or view student information. There is 3 buttons in the mobile screen. If you click the first button in the mobile screen, you can enter the add page. In this page, you can add the student information, the student name, the subject, and you can select the data and enter the email, student email and student phone number. And let's try to enter something. Let's enter John and math teacher. I can change the data and the email John 8DIT. Phone number we can select like this. Save. After that, we can go to the second button, and you can see the information you entered before. Let's add another one. And you can use the third button, and to search some. You can enter some words to select the student you want to see, like this, or Tom, or Sam. Math. And you can click hold on and select the edit or delete. As we try the first one, we can change the name and save. The name will be changed, and we can delete it will be deleted. That's all. Thank you.